Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question asks, which one of the following is the structural formula of the functional group of the ketones? Recall that a ketone contains an oxygen atom that is double bonded to a carbon atom. The carbon atom with a double bond must only be bonded to two other carbon atoms and no other elements. That means that it cannot be at the end of a carbon chain, bonded to hydrogen, or have double bonds with any other element but the oxygen. So if we look at our options, we can immediately rule out option D because it contains a singly bonded oxygen atom. Option B has a double bonded oxygen, but the carbon is bonded to a hydrogen. So option B is also incorrect. Options A and C both show an oxygen atom with a double bond to a carbon atom, but option A doesn't specify what this carbon atom is bonded to other than the oxygen atom. So we can't be sure. And for this reason, we choose option C because it is the only one where we can definitely be sure that the carbon atom is only bonded to other carbon atoms. So our answer is C. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.